Hello, I'm Janie Spicer, and today I'll be sharing a presentation on the mineral commodity mica. Mica is a versatile mineral that has a critical role in many industries, ranging from electronics to cosmetics because of its unique physical and chemical properties. Mica is classified as a phyllosilicate mineral, meaning its structure consists of silicate tetrahedrons, which are essential silicon atoms surrounded by 4 oxygen atoms as seen in this diagram here. According to the 2024 United States Geological Survey, there is 37 different types of mica, 6 of which are rock-forming minerals, and these include paragonite, biotite, lepidite, phlogopite, muscovite, and glauconite. The most abundant types of mica are biotite, this classic dark-colored mica, and muscovite, the recognizable light-colored mica. Mica is often flaky and layered, and it's commonly found in all 3 different types of rock classifications: igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary rock. Its surface is transparent to opaque, and it's often reflective, as seen with the mica lepidite. Perhaps one of the most defining characteristics of mica is its basal cleavage, which is cleavage parallel to its base. The mineral mica glauconite however, is unique in that it does not have any cleavage. Due to mica's lightweight structure, resilience, and insulating properties, it is often used in electrical and electronic equipment as well as in paints, drywall fillers, and beauty products. Additionally, mica is very flexible, brittle, and it is stable when exposed to electricity, light, moisture, and extreme temperatures. These properties of mica make it useful for a multitude of different products across a variety of industries. According to the 2024 United States Geological Survey, muscovite and phlogopite are the most commercially valuable micas. But how is mica mined? Rock-forming mica minerals are most found in granite, pegamites, and schist. And mica is mined in 2 main methods: open pit mining and deep shaft mining. With open pit mining, heavy machinery is used to dig large pits to access mica close to the surface. Once uncovered, miners use hand tools to carefully extract the mica and keep it intact. This method is often used for shallow mica deposits. Deep shaft mining, vertical shafts are drilled underground. Sometimes these shafts are created using explosives to loosen surrounding rock and enable miners to hand extract mica. And this method is used for deposits of mica found deep underground. There are 2 types of mined mica: scrap and flake and sheet mica. Scrap and flake is mica flakes that are carefully gathered from sedimentary rocks, and these are often used in construction materials, paints, and other industrial products. Sheet mica, on the other hand, is the extraction of larger, high-quality mica crystals, and these are often fabricated into electronic or electrical parts. But where is mica found? As I stated, large deposits of mica containing rocks are heavily distributed in Brazil, India, and Madagascar. In the United States, Georgia, South Dakota, and my home state of North Carolina are the leading suppliers of mica. And though the United States produces a generous amount of mica, the U.S. primarily imports mica from China, India, and Brazil. In 2023, 19,000 metric tons of scrap and flake mica and 4,100 metric tons of sheet mica were imported into the U.S., while 4,000 metric tons of scrap and flake and 1,100 metric tons of sheet mica were exported from the U.S., as indicated by this far column here. And this chart was obtained from the United States Geological Survey report of mica from 2024. A notable company that produces mica is Axum Mica, which is based out of New York, the United States. The company extracts and collects mica using the common open pit mining method. After extracting mica, Axum Mica uses it to manufacture mica-based materials. The versatility of mica and its inclusion in a wide array of products has made it a profitable mineral. According to the 2024 United States Geological Survey, domestic scrap and flake mica production yielded 3,800 tons of mica at a value of $3.9 million. In 2023, the average cost per metric ton of mica in the United States was $300 for dry scrap and flake and $350 for wet scrap and flake mica. When it comes to manufacturing mica, the two different types are manufactured in slightly different ways. Scrap and flake mica is either wet or dry ground. Either way, it's first made into smaller pieces before it can be manufactured into industrial products such as drywall, paint, or before it's used in cosmetics. For sheet mica, it's first combined with other compounds to increase its durability, then the resulting mixture is pressed into a mold to create a sheet. Once the sheet has been crafted, it's then fabricated into various electronic or electrical parts. Here, I've embedded a short clip A popular product that commonly contains mica is eyeshadow. In fact, mica is a key ingredient in many popular eyeshadow brands. The mineral's unique ability to reflect light and its shimmery appearance makes it desirable as an eyeshadow component, as does its resilience to light, moisture, and temperature, which also help to preserve eyeshadow. The distinct properties of mica have made it a desirable component for many products, and it plays a crucial role in many industries. However, as with most types of mining, the mining of mica creates significant environmental challenges, including the disruption of ecosystems, deforestation, soil erosion, and the loss of biodiversity. Additionally, the process of mining often pollutes water sources. All these effects have adverse impacts on both animal and human populations in an area. More so, most mica in India and Madagascar is produced by artisanal miners, and often these miners experience unsafe conditions. Furthermore, these areas have a history of using child labor in mica mining. Finally, the United States Geological Survey notes that limited resources of sheet mica are available in the U.S. Additionally, the high cost of labor required for mining and processing of sheet mica makes it sub-economic for U.S. domestic production. All these factors create potential concerns for the continuation of mica mining. And that concludes my presentation. Thank you for listening and have a good rest of your day. And here are my sources.